It's time for another day of school.
Lontague train. Did you not wear green to school?
Yes.
Lontague train. How dare you not wear green? That's it. We're calling your parents about this. Hello, Mom and Dad. Lontague train did not wear green to school. Can you ground him? Thanks. Bye.
Lontague train. How dare you not wear green to school? That's it. You're grounded for 4, 7, 8, 9, 4, 4, 9, 8, 9, 0, 6, 4, 8, 0, 5, 4, 2, 3, 2, 5, 4, 6, 0, 9, 6, 5, 6, 4, 5, 0, 6, 7, 4, 3, 7, 6, 8 years.
Now go upstairs to your room now.
Fine. Screw you, Mom. And screw you too, Dad. And don't you be talking like that either.